all done. Let's walk through this really quick. This is such a simple install. So starting out on the wings, like make sure that you have all the 4 millimeters tightened down and everything is just hand tight. In the places where appropriate, you have the 10 millimeters back in, down there, here. There's some across the back panel of the main plate. You've got these 4 millimeter Allens here tucked in. Make sure that this rubber grommet is tucked in really, really nicely. You've put in the two 5 millimeter Allen bolts, those bigger ones here. Again, here's another one of those 10 millimeters that we have reused all the way across. Your wheel wells are tight. You've got this corner one back here in and secure, and you're all done. And I really like this setup. I do know people that have taken rock hits to their oil coolers. This car is brand new and actually has a couple of dings in the fins already. So a couple of rocks have actually skipped up and hit the fins of the oil cooler already. This is going to do a vastly superior job in protecting it, plus all of the rest of the plastics all the way through as well. So this really is a great setup. I highly recommend it. Go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. All right, guys, so go ahead and clean up and put your tools away. And as you can tell, this is not a hard project and only takes a few simple tools. I'm a big believer in these skid plates for these cars. Protect your vulnerable oil coolers because, man, if you take a rock and you blow a hole in that, it's gonna make a really bad, very expensive day. Okay, so go ahead and take a look at this. Thank you to Turner for making such a fantastic product. Now, while you're there, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel and I would really appreciate it.